In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off work anniversary notifications on LinkedIn. At times, you might prefer to keep certain updates, like work anniversaries, private, and not share them with your entire network. Perhaps you wish to maintain a level of privacy, or just avoid flooding your network with notifications. Whatever your reason, modifying these settings is a straightforward process, and today I'll guide you through it step by step. First, you'll need to access your LinkedIn account. Make sure you are logged in and ready to navigate to your settings. Begin by heading to the top right corner of the LinkedIn homepage. Here you will see your profile picture, which acts as a gateway to your account settings. Go ahead and click on your profile picture, and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This is where all your account management tasks start. Once you're in the Settings and Privacy section, take a look to the left side of this page where you'll find the Visibility tab. Click on this tab as it's the area dedicated to how others see your information on LinkedIn. This step is crucial because it allows you to customize what activities and updates are shared within your professional network. Next, you'll need to locate a section titled Visibility of your LinkedIn activity. Here, LinkedIn gives you control over various aspects of your profile's visibility. Scroll through this section until you find an option that reads Share job changes, education changes, and work anniversaries from profile. This is the precise setting we need to adjust. Once you've found this option, you'll notice a toggle switch next to it. This toggle will be your key to stopping the automatic sharing of these updates. By default, this switch might be turned on, meaning LinkedIn is currently sharing these updates with your network. Click the toggle switch so that it moves to the off position. This action will stop LinkedIn from broadcasting your work anniversaries, alongside job and education changes, to your network. Finally, one of the conveniences of LinkedIn settings is that changes are saved automatically. This means once you've toggled the switch to off, you're all set with no additional steps required to save your changes. You can rest assured that your network won't receive notifications for your upcoming work anniversaries. By following these steps, you can have more control over what personal milestones you share on LinkedIn, allowing you to maintain the level of privacy you desire. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this guide helpful in managing your LinkedIn presence more effectively.